Hi everyone, I'm Dan Corcoran, CEO of Volos. We believe options are the future of investment management. Options are contracts that investors can use to decrease risk or express a certain view in the market. My partners and I started Volos 2 years ago because we believe that investment managers have extremely unique ideas, but they're not fully compensated for those ideas by simply buying or shorting stocks. By not using options, investment managers are leaving money on the table every time they allocate capital. With options, investors have the ability to achieve extremely high returns if they're correct and limit their losses if they're not. Currently, most investment managers don't even use traditional options, and very few use the customizable options we model, exotic options. Exotic options are the most efficient way of expressing a view in the markets, and Volos has built the first platform that recommends these customized option strategies. Let me give you an example of one of these trades. So recently we spoke with a portfolio manager that believes Cisco, a food services company, is going to stay flat at $40 until the end of June. So the manager's fundamental and technical teams both came to the same conclusion, that Cisco is going to be dead flat for the next 4 months. And so there's no way right now for this investment manager to be compensated for her high conviction view by just buying or shorting Cisco. But Volos can recommend the best option strategy that pays the manager very well if she's correct. So we can input our forecast on Cisco. These are the historical prices. The blue cones represent our confidence about the future, the range that we think Cisco could be in. And again, we think it's going to be dead flat at $40 until June. So our cloud-based optimization cluster is currently sweeping across 4.5 trillion option strategies to identify a strategy that will provide us the highest risk-adjusted returns. Let's see what trade it recommends. So our platform recommended a double no-touch option. This is a contract that costs $360,000 and pays the manager $1 million if Cisco stays between $37 and $43 until the end of June. So this is the exact type of exposure that the portfolio manager is looking for. It's giving her an expected return of 178% when she thinks the stock is going to stay flat. So after strategy optimization, our platform can conduct a deep dive into the analysis of whatever we would want to know about an option strategy. For example, on the screen above, I'm looking how sensitive my double no-touch option is to a change in interest rates. We've built the most comprehensive scenario analysis tool to date, the first systematic exotic options backtester, and a number of other proprietary tools that change the way that these securities are going to be used by institutional investors. We analyze these options in ways investors have never thought to analyze them before. And today, basic analysis is done in Microsoft Excel, usually by physics PhDs at the top 20 global banks and hedge funds, and over the course of days or weeks, if it's even done at all. So we're a team of 6 financial engineers who have dedicated the past 2 years towards making this platform the best of its kind. We've raised capital from a core group of financial service executives and have validated our software with top quantitative hedge funds and investment banks. Exotic options are the last frontier of uncorrelated alpha. We've bridged the gap for how these products can be managed systematically in large institutional portfolios. Our software offers a massive competitive advantage in this asset class and compensates investment managers for their sophisticated market insights. Because options are the most efficient way of expressing intricate views, we believe that they will be the future of active management. We're seeking a large strategic partner who shares in our vision. I'd like to thank AWS, XIgnite, and the FinTech Sandbox for supporting our growth and for the opportunity to speak tonight. I invite you to come over to our table, and we'd love to have a conversation. Thank you so much.